Welcome back. Today we will pay a visit to the product comparison and visualize bot template, the perfect bot for a shopping site. The required inputs are the product and the target site, and both will be given by n8n, so there's no need to worry about them. We are simply searching for the product and target site using a Google search query, then we find the best match in the results. After that, we will click on the site and check if we are encountering a single product page or a product list. If we have a product list, then we are simply clicking on the closest option and extracting the data from that page. As always, let's head over to the Run tab. This tab is vital so we can clearly monitor the agent's steps and verify the output. As you can see, the agent performed the steps just as we defined them. Now let's move to the n8n workflow. Like always, there are notes for every section, and the BrowserAct template name is included. The workflow is kicked off by a Telegram trigger. Data goes to an agent to validate the input. Since we are looking for products, we use AI to identify the two products for comparison and use structured output for a consistent format. If information is missing or the user is just talking, we route to the bottom path so the AI can reply directly to the user. Otherwise, we notify the user and then clear the Google Sheet we use as a database. Next, we split the product output from the AI agent and send it to the loop. We use a BrowserAct node to scrape the data for each product. Save that output into the Google Sheet, and then move on to the next product. This Google Sheet is our database, and you can see how it looks like. All you have to do is set up the Google Sheet columns the same way I have. Once the loop finishes, we pull all the data from the Google Sheet and aggregate it into one array. We pass this to an AI agent to analyze each product, compare them, and generate pros and cons using structured output. That data goes to another AI agent tasked with creating a detailed prompt for Nano Banana Pro. We use structured output here as well for consistency. Then, we use that prompt in the Gemini node to generate an image. Finally, we send everything back via Telegram, using the chat ID from the original trigger node. This is the result. I tested two different examples, and you can see how they turned out. The best part is that every image is unique, which keeps your site fresh for the users. Thanks for watching.